73 volts. Okay? And it is connected to the load side. This is the load side. Load side is using a delta circuit. Okay, and this is the voltage go, and this is the current go, and the current travels from here to here. Right? And we also have the estimator to show power failure. When I push this button, the voltage will come down, and it will show a power failure. Right? I will connect to browser. S T okay, and then current. You can see arrow, so you have to go from the distribution to load. So it shows go to load down here. Second channel and third channel T. Okay. I will turn on the simulator power on. Okay, as you can see, there is a the connection are correct. The voltage on everything is on the place itself. Okay, let's say I made a wrong connection on the voltage, and you can see that the yellow line is not inside the yellow box, it's on the blue box. Okay, so you know where that should be the wrong connection, right? It goes the same with the current. Let's say I put the current on the other side. You can see the vector is on the other side, right? So you know that you are doing a wrong connection. Okay, so from here you can see there is your voltage, ampere, and watt. You can see the what is the measurement right now. You're not starting to record yet, but you can see the preview, right? And not just that, you also have this. You can see the waveform too. Waveform like there, and you also have this DMM value. Okay, where you can see the line-to-line voltage. Line-to-line voltage is at 170 volt, right? If you would like to know each phase voltage, you can change to line to end voltage. This is at 100 volt. Also preview that kind of thing. Okay. Power is there, the power factor is there, right? And you can see each channel voltage, value, current, power. Don't forget the waveform. You can view both simultaneously. Above is voltage and below is current, right? So if you are done with previewing all the stuff, okay, you can proceed with the measurement. But I just said just now, it's not that difficult to do in seconds. Okay, first you have to select your wiring. We're now measuring at a 3-phase 3-wire measurement. So 3-phase 3-wire. Okay. Of course, you can change. course, you can change to three-phase, four-wire according to your measurement. Okay, single phase, two-wire, and stuff like that. So now we are measuring a three-phase, two-wire. Okay. Actually, this unit have 4 channels, and we also have a channel 4 right here, and a channel 4 is isolated from a channel 1 to 3. So you can measure 2 circuits differently simultaneously. Okay? Let's say you are measuring 3 phases on the channel 1 to 3, and you can also simultaneously measure DC circuit or single phase 2-wire circuit on channel 4. Right? You can do that, and of course also calculate the efficiency of the 3 phases and against the DC or the single phase 2-wire circuit. So when you are done with the review, you can click this preset button, and here you can select the course that you would like to do for the measurement. Okay, we set a few courses down here, which can help you with your threshold settings, voltage band, and also for just recording the trend and the EN standards, so you don't have to preset, you don't have to key in manually, it's already preset to you. And for this demo, I would like to use the standard power quality settings. Right? Understand you can also change the VT, CT ratio, right? And also the time plot or trend interval recording interval. For this demo, I will use 1 second. Okay, and when you're done, just click next. If you would like to change the details, like you can change the detail after this, okay? When everything is okay, you can just push the go button. Excuse me, the nominal voltage was 170 volt. Okay, you can see up there the UD is being set at 127, and it's in the red color, meaning that UD is different from your defined nominal voltage is different from the voltage. So we have to change it. 173. Go to variable. 173. Okay, so go. Go. Proceed. Yes. Okay. Okay. So actually, this power quality analyzer is connected with the LAN cable, and this LAN cable is connected to our PC, and we are using our PC to show it our display and how it looks like. You can also monitor it remotely. Okay, let me just change the view. Okay, the current response. Okay, the recording is not started yet because I changed it to the time to exactly. So when it turns to exact time, and it will start recording. Okay, push the start button. So maybe the time goes to the exact time to 15:23:00.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Start.
You can see here, shows recording. So recording has just started. Okay. So this is the waveform look like. You can change to time plot, you can see the trend graph right there. Now we are viewing the URMS on channel 1. Okay? The average value. Of course, you can change it to what kind of value that you would like to observe. Okay, you can change it using the mouse. Click on the browser, so like that. You connect the mouse.
View. Oh.
Use the mouse.
全不同的东西哦。
This is how the mouse looks.
OK。
Okay. Now we are logging at 170 volts. Okay, that I just told you just now. This simulator over here can simulate the interruption. Okay, so now I will push the button and check if the voltage being cut down. Right. And before that, just take a look at the event number of it. It is called 1. Okay, which is I just started the measurement. Okay, so now I will push the button. You can see the voltage go down there, and the event rises to 4. Okay, meaning there is something happened. Okay, and you can see this is how it shows on our power analyzer, how the event waveform look like. Okay, this is a transient event. Okay.
これはリポート。まあ、リプトインと一緒。
Okay.
いいのはいいかい。
There you can see there is a big event happen before the interruption happens. Okay. The straight line shows that it's an interruption. Okay. Okay, I think that's all for demo of the unit. I will stop the measurement. Okay, so after we are done with the measurement, this is our another software. Okay, the data will be transferred to this software, the next one, and it will go to this database. Okay, this is the data that we had beforehand, almost the same thing that we did just now. And from here, you can just double click it, and it will open the analyzer software, the PQ one. Okay. Connection. Okay, when you open the PQ one, it will go check all your data and see if your data is according to the standard or not, and it will show you a check, fail, pass, stuff like that. And the data that we just recorded just now is will be at the bottom. In this one, we just wait for the check to be finished first. Okay. So this is how the data will look like. It's just a short trend recording. Okay, this is the trend data up here. So this is the waveform data, and this is the event statistic, right? And it will give you the list of event that happens. Okay, so the dip happened over here. So we click on the dip. You can see the blue move over here, meaning that dip happened over here, and this is how the waveform like, right? And you can also check the detail of the RMS value by click on the exclamation mark over here, and you can see that what is the value of the dip and stuff like that. Finally, the statistic function. It will run the statistic on the trend data that you just had. So let's say I put a maximum value on. Okay, you can see when is the maximum value happen and what is the value. Okay. So far, that's all from us. So my presentation is done. I would like to pass back to our team in India. Thank you, everyone.
Yeah, thanks, the Japan team, for a wonderful session and